Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to set up Visual Studio Code for Python. Visual Studio Code is becoming a very popular editor for Python as well. So we are going to first download and install Python. Then we'll install Visual Studio Code. Uh, the freshly installed Visual Studio Code won't work for Python. You'll have to download some additional extensions, and in this video we are going to tell you which extensions you need to install for Python, and then we will install them. After that, we'll be able to run a simple hello world program in Python, and I'll also tell you how to debug it briefly. So let's start. Open any browser and say download Visual Studio Code first because it takes time. Make sure you are using authentic website to download Visual Studio Code and Python. I'll download the Visual Studio Code for Python, and we'll also download Python. Let's open command prompt and type Python hyphen version. See, Python is not installed on this computer, and now let's go to the downloads folder and start the Python installation. Before you start the installation, make sure you check this checkbox because this is going to add the Python paths in your environment variable, and that will save you additional step. Alright, so it will quickly install Python. Python installation is complete. Let's close this dialog and go to the command prompt and say Python hyphen version. No Python, because this command prompt was opened before we installed the Python. So let's close this window and open new command prompt and say Python hyphen version, and you should get the latest Python version. All right, so that means if you get this, that means Python is installed successfully. Then let's start the Visual Studio Code installation. Download is already completed. Accept the agreement. Keep everything as default. Yes, the installation is completed. Click on finish. It will automatically launch Visual Studio Code, and this is showing older folder from my previous installation, but don't worry, you can just go to open folder and say create new folder here and Python. Hello world. All right, select this folder and you'll see this folder here in this editor. Before you start writing a Python code, make sure you have the required extension. So in install, you can see there are no extensions installed as of now. Just search for Python and you will see this extensions from Microsoft. Install this. It's being installed. Yes, the installation is complete, and now clear this search. You can see the Python pylons, and these extensions are already installed. All right. Uh, so let's create a new file over here, a Python file, hello.py, and then you can just simply type print hi, and then you can just click on this run Python file button, and you'll shortly see the output over here. See, it has printed hi. So our new plugins are working fine. Now let's quickly copy this line, and you can just add debug pointer by clicking on this red button. You just mouse over on the line and this red dot will show up, and when you click, the breakpoint will be added. After that, you can just simply debug. Okay, and there is a quite a cute dialogue or wizard that is available for debugging mode, and you can use this to debug Python code. It's very easy, very simple, and looks very good. Let's go back to PPT. Friends, if this video helped you, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let us know your thought in comment section, because we love to hear from you. That makes our day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.